Do I go through the effort to restore my grill on my 1968 Camaro?
Or do I?
I just go online and order a repop, couple of clicks away, have it delivered to my front door, have it installed in my car in no time, and enjoy some cruising with my wife. No, you're asking yourself, hey, Flathead Terry, why are you going through all this trouble? Car looks great with that grill. Well, let's have a closer look. Now you can see what I see as we get up closer. It's got cracks, it's faded. You can see the wavy grill. Looks like the previous owner put some paint in there. Cracks everywhere, 17 to be exact. Here's a big one right down the middle. The hardware is all corroded. The eyelets are missing for the ground wires. So do I just take the easy path and buy a repop? As you've seen on this channel, I don't do anything easy.
And now. Alright.
These original parts are valuable and will take a ton of work, but to me, it'll be worth it. So you know which path I'm gonna take. So let's get started with disassembly. Now on to the mother of all grill cracks. Check out this tool that might just save this grill. Yeah, a couple of clicks. Had it sent right to my house. Here it is. Crack it open. Looks like a ray gun, but it's a plastic welder. And it comes with this variety of staples. Just stick them in the gun, plug it in, and pull the trigger. Then the staple gets hot, and then weld your crack. Does this thought come into your head? How am I going to fix these waves? All right, let's get this thing ready for paint. Okay, now we wipe it down. right, let's tape it up. Let's get that respirator on and the exhaust fan turned on. All right, let's apply some argent silver paint. That's the original color. Now with the argent silver applied, now we go on to the satin black. All right, let's take that paper off and check it out. All right, there we go. All right, let's remove that paint with the paint stripper. I'm going to use my respirator. All right, let's check them out. Turned out real nice. Getting all of that scratched and faded paint off. Yeah, looking good. A couple little dents, a few little scratches here and there. Not bad for originals. Okay, the next step is to remove the oxidation and the anodization that's been applied to these aluminum trim strips. And how are we going to do that? We're going to use some Easy Off oven cleaner. Now, make sure if you're going to do this, use heavy duty. And the reason why is because the main ingredient, if I can zoom in here a little bit, sodium hydroxide, which is lye. So this stuff is potent enough to remove that layer. So I'll apply some and let you know how long it takes to remove it. And as always, use your respirator. After some cleaning, now it's down to the bare aluminum. Now let's remove the pitting using 180 grit and some 240 grit. Finally some 600 grit. And let's buff it out. Alright, was able to finish sanding, polishing, and get this thing all shiny again. Turned out really nice. What I use is right here. Mother's mag and aluminum polish works excellent on this kind of stuff. Use it all the time. Okay, I prepped the metal surface with some aluminum cleaner, which is basically, let me get over here, phosphoric acid. So, is able to clean the surface and prep it for paint. And next, painter's tape. Now ready for some self-etching primer. Some 600 grit. Coat of satin black. Alright, one of my favorite things to do is to take the tape off of a recently painted project. It's kind of like Christmas. Alright, this is how they look. Turned out pretty good. And now on to the bow tie emblem. Alright, it's here somewhere. Ah, there it is. All right, there we go. There we have it. Time to fix this broken stud. And there we go. And now for a new ground wire connector. All right, here it is. Got it all back together. I know it's not perfect, but it looks great. Really happy with the results. It is original and well worth the effort to get it back to its former glory. Hey, flatheads, would you take the time and effort to restore this? Or would you just go out and buy a repop? Let me know in the comments down below.